ito na po tayong problem. And ito na po yung ating sasagutin sa araw na ito. Given the vertices of a triangle, A, 0, 1, B, 2, 3, and C, 2, -1. Show that triangle ABC is a right isosceles. So are you ready, guys, for the solution for this problem? So here it is po. So ito na po yung ating triangle. So it is drawn in a coordinate plane. So let's take the coordinates of A, B, C. So A is at 0, 1. B is at 2, 3. And C is at 2, -1. So in this problem, we're going to use the distance formula. So where D is equal to the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So D serves as the distance of the points or between 2 points. So in this case, let's have points or consider the distance from A to B. So we're going to A, B. So consider that our x sub 1 and y sub 1 is our point A and x sub 2, y sub 2 is our point B. So for x sub 2 is positive 2 minus 0 plus squared plus y sub 2 is 3 minus 1 squared. So AB, or the distance of A to B, is equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared. Or we have 4 plus 4 is equal to square root of 8, or in simplest form, 2 square root of 2. Next, so ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung distance from B to C. So B to C. So consider that our x sub 2 and y sub 2 are point C and x sub 1, y sub 1 from point B. So x sub 2 natin is 2 minus 2 squared plus y sub 2 is -1 minus 3 squared. So BC is equal to 0 squared plus -4 squared is equal to 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So the distance from point B to C is positive 4. Next, the distance from A to C, or from C to A. So AC. And take note that we are going to use x sub 1, y sub 1 of point A and x sub 2, y sub 2 of point C. So x sub 2 natin is from the coordinate of x coordinate of C, so 2, and A. The x coordinate of A is 0 squared plus the coordinate of y for our point C is -1, and the coordinates of, or the coordinate of y for our point A is 1. So yan na po. So squared po. So AC is equal to 2 squared plus -2 squared, or quantity of -2 squared. So we have square root of 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, square root of 8, or 2 square. So, AC is equal to 2 square root of 2. So, we can already say that this triangle is an isosceles triangle since AB is equal to AC. Since the definition of an isosceles triangle, there must be two equal sides. So, yun po yung definition ng ating isosceles triangle. And AB is equal to AC since AB is equal to square root of 2 square root of 2 and AC is also 2 square root of 2. So to prove that this triangle is a right isosceles triangle, so we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So our lengths are AB 2 square root of 2, AC 2 square root of 2, and BC is equal to 4. So in this case, so we can say that the longest side is BC. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem states that the sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. So we have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So in this case, in this triangle, so we're going to use or to prove that c squared plus b squared is equal to a squared. So we're going to use a for our hypotenuse since this is the longest side in the given triangle. So okay, so C is for AB squared, B is for AC squared, and A is for BC squared. So AB is equal to 2 square root of 2 squared plus AC, same 2 square root of 2 squared, and BC is equal to 4 squared. So 2 square root of 2 squared is 8 plus 2 square root of 2 squared is also 8 and 4 squared is equal to 16. So in our left side, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 and the right side is also 16. So in this case, we can say that the triangle is a right triangle and we can also say that it is an isosceles triangle. So in our conclusion, this triangle is or triangle ABC is a right isosceles triangle.